Struggling with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division? Check out these math strategies. Here's a quick revision in how to use column addition. Place the numbers one on top of the other, lining up the digits carefully in the correct place value. Always start from the column on the right hand side. In this case, it's ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, and tens of thousands. Add the ones and write the answer under the ones. Add the tens and write the answer under the tens. Regroup any hundreds under the hundreds column. Add the hundreds, including any hundreds that you may have regrouped. Add the thousands and write the answer under the thousands. Add the tens of thousands and then check your answer. 66,809. Here's how to use the column subtraction method. First, place the numbers one on top of the other, lining up the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and tens of thousands in this case. Always start from the column on the right hand side, in this case, ones. We can't do 1 take away 5 as this will be a negative number. So we exchange from the tens. We exchange or regroup 10 from 90 to make 11 ones. So 11 take away 5 equals 6. Then we subtract the tens digits. 8 take away 3 equals 5. Again, for the hundreds, we can't do 200 take away 600 because that would be negative. So we need to regroup or exchange from the thousands. Then we subtract the hundreds digits. 12 take away 6 equals 6. We subtract the thousands digits and the tens of thousands digits like this. Here's a quick guide to show you how to use the short multiplication method. First, set out your calculation like this, setting out the place value digits correctly in the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. When multiplying, we must always start with the smallest value digit, which is the ones. So 5 ones times 9 equals 45. When the number goes over 10, we regroup 4 tens, 40, into the tens column underneath here and leave 5 ones in the ones column. Next, we're going to multiply 6 tens times 9 ones, and that equals 54. And we're going to add the 4 tens that we carried over, so that would be 58. 5 is 500 and goes underneath the hundreds column. And finally, we're going to do 3 hundreds times 9, so that will equal 27 hundreds. And then we're going to add the 5 hundreds, so that will equal 32 hundreds. So the total is 3,285. Here's a very quick video to show you how to use short division with exchanging. First, set out your division calculation like this. The number you want to divide goes in the middle and the number you're dividing by goes on the outside. If this is new, you might want to add the ones, tens and hundreds place value letters. As an option, you might want to write out your multiples of 3 as you are dividing by 3. The division method is different as we start with the largest value digit, in this case the hundreds. So 600 divided by 3 equals 200, so we place 2 above the 6. Then we move into the tens column. 50 divided by 3 doesn't go into it equally. We could say one group of 3 divides into 5 once with a remainder of 2. So we are exchanging 2 tens into the ones to make 24 ones. Then we have 24 divided by 3. There are 8 groups of 3 and the answer is 280. Visit Twinkl for more math strategies resources.